Welcome back to another one of my unboxing videos of random stuff I buy on Amazon. Today we have a 3-way soil meter. So let's open this sucker up and see what we got. Okay, it says insert probe tip to root level, always clean tip after use, made in China. Then you have a 3-way switch on the front. You can go moisture, light, or pH. Now if we go light and I hold it up, I do see it move. I'd have quite a bit of light on me right now. But we'll go ahead and pull in my wife's favorite flowers, pansies, and we will see if we can check the moisture of this soil. And it feels pretty dry. Give it a second. And it is on the dry end. It definitely needs more water. Now let's see if we can do pH. And the pH shows it's just a hair above 7. So right in the middle. So there we are. I'll be experimenting with this more over the next couple of days. That way we can make sure our flowers get watered properly. As you can see, these ones do look a little dried out. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.